So in the previous video that we have been learning about this edit text, and then right now we're gonna try to customize them. So basically this is from the uh, Rengu Xian. I think this Chinese guy is helping us to using the properly edit text from the Google Material Design. Okay, so there's a lot of example that you could use it in this library. So right now just installation first. So first you have to install this into your project, and I'm looking for here. So since compile has been changed with the implementation, so you have to use the implementation here and then sync. So one is done, you have to go back into your XML here. So previously we used the normal edit text that Google has provided for us in the Android Studio, right? So right now that we have to replace them actually. So on the top here, I'm going to replace all of them, both. So we have to use a resolution here. Maybe you're gonna see three options. So I go with the first one, and yeah, it's same like 55 dp. Okay, and then I'm going to remove this username first, and then password. Okay, so first of all, I have to give the input type here, which is text. And what else do we have? We need hint here, and then we have to give the margin right and then margin left, and put on the margin top like this. Okay, so for the margin and then margin start, it has to be same like the way we did previously, like 32. Okay, and then there is the option if you read the document carefully. So if you need maybe like this one. Okay, so maybe just simple to max character like this. Okay, the max character is maybe the username is only 8, right? And then we could also combine them with the floating label here. So you have to find, this is the highlight and this is the floating normal. So you should floating label like highlight. Okay, and what else? Okay, I think this is wait. Oh, well, actually, I didn't realize that we couldn't just combine all of them, so you have to choose wisely. If you're gonna use the highlight, then you're not able to use the max character. So that's the problem is. But if you choose both, and how about we? Oh, okay. So if you wanna choose both, then you have to increase the layer height. Okay. So then right now I'm going to just simply duplicate this input type, and I'm trying to change it to the password, and this is for the password, right? Then just simply drag over here and put this, and then like this. Okay, and this button continue, we have to move to come over here. Okay, and then let's try it into the emulator. So once you run it into the emulator, you're gonna see there is the limit character. But in the under of the input type, there's the limit of the character. So if you choose like wow, it's more than 8, then you couldn't just pass the through of the continue. So whenever you come up with the username, it's gonna be like this. Okay, right, cool, right? But the problem is if I choose like 1 2 3 4 8, okay, it's already 11, but we still able to type it. So I think we have to max length here, okay, which is uh, 8. Okay, we're gonna copy and put here and then try again in the emulator. So whenever you come up with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, we couldn't type it, right? So the maximum is just 8. Okay, so this is the perfect combination that we ever made in the EditText. So okay guys, hopefully it's gonna be useful for you for the next or existing project. Just let me know if you do have a question. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video for Android tutorial for the basic and dummies 2019. Okay, see you guys, and thank you very much.